This isn't the other thing that I ordered. Good. It's your boy G-Kid. Stop. Take a look at my hair here. By the time you get to the end of this video, that's going to show you how long it took me to go from this point to actually getting the stage 2 clutch put in. Let's jump back in. Back with another episode of Live Fast. What we got rocking today, your boy is going to take his car to go get the new clutch put in. Got him! This actually took much longer. So, what are we rocking with for a clutch? Check this out. We rocking with Southbend clutch. This is a Southbend Stage 2 daily clutch. There should be more than enough capability to hold down the KO4 we're trying to go to. So let's go ahead and get this in the whip. Your boy also got a rear main seal, and I also picked up some other little goodies to go on it. So let's take a look at those real quick. All right, let's crack this thing open. This is 034 Motorsports rear main seal. Got the billet one, so this should work really well for the car. It's gonna be the code right there on there. I'm gonna crack this guy open too. Yo, what is this? Ignition coils. Oh boy. The wrong package. Man, that's not good. This isn't the other thing that I ordered. Clutch bleeder block and stuff that I wanted them to put in too. Sucks, it was a stainless steel clutch line and the bleeder block for it. Sent me the wrong thing. This is supposed to be the clutch bleeder block. They sent me some ignition coils. It looked like that go for a BMW. Now we're looking at the clutch here. Look at that thing, man. Southbend. Look like it has a little bit of scuffs on it right here. But I got that there. Got the clutch alignment tool. New throwout bearing. This is good to go. However, looking at my order, it looks like I may have to reschedule this because I had the billet bleeder block and I had the stainless steel clutch line that was supposed to come, so that way it can all be changed at one time along with the rear main seal. So I'm gonna have to call the company and see if I can reschedule. All right, John, I had an appointment for this morning to bring my GTI in for a clutch replacement. I decided to open up my packages just to make sure I had everything I needed to go here. Sent me BMW ignition coils instead of the bleeder block and stainless steel clutch line I ordered. Thank you, man, I appreciate it. So at least the shop was super understanding about the whole situation. Pedal upgrade kit for my Mk6 GTI. I ended up opening up the package. I was going to my appointment this morning and opened it. So just got off the line with them. Hopefully they can send me another one. Worst part is I did get this one overnighted to me. So they said they should be able to get the other one overnighted to me. So the actual clutch pedal upgrade kit. And at least my shop was very understanding of the fact of I'm needing to reschedule and such. Hopefully they can get me on the schedule sometime within the next week. It actually took a couple of weeks to get a new one.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.
Today, we are getting the clutch put on the GTI. So, I got to take it over to a local shop. I'm going to have them do it. I don't want to purchase the special tools to get this job done. But first, let me show you what I picked up. Starting off, I got the 034 Motorsports billet rear main seal. Right, this is the rear main seal, but it's in the billet format. Honestly, when you're in there doing the clutch, you might as well do this because you're already in there. So take this out, put this new one in, and not have to worry about any rear main seal leaks. So that's the first thing we got. Picked up some new brake fluid. This is actually used for the clutch as well, if you did not know that. This is going in because I'm also replacing these pieces right here. I have the ECS tuning clutch bleeder block, and I'm so excited to put this in there. It's supposed to allow the pedal to be much stiffer. In addition to that, we have the ECS tuning stainless steel clutch line that's gonna go in there as well. So both of those are gonna help stiffen up just that clutch pedal feel. The rear main seal is gonna make sure I don't have any leaks out of the rear main going forward. This is gonna really help the clutch out. But now it's time for the main piece. Let's check it out. This is the new clutch we're rocking with. Look at this. So we have the Southbend Stage 2 daily clutch kit. We got the new throwout bearing with it. All the hardware tools that are needed for it. This is gonna be awesome. Look at that clutch. I just really wish we could see the red when the clutch was in the car. It sort of feels like a waste when you can't even see how clean some of these clutches look once they're in the vehicle. Either way though, it's gonna be much better. I can't wait. We're gonna go ahead and take it over there. I'm gonna drive over there. Shorty gonna follow me. We're gonna drop the car off. I'll probably get it back sometime tomorrow. So anyways, let me get this stuff in the car so we can head over to the shop. All right, so the new clutch is now in the hatch with the extra parts. We're gonna go ahead and take this over there now. Let's go ahead. It's always raining every time I'm trying to get something done, but I'm super excited for the way these cars are about to turn out over the next couple months. This clutch is essential for this car to take it to the next level. I'm talking stage 2, then eventually KO4. So stay tuned. I can't wait to get this car over there. We're about to ride out now. All right, so we over here at the shop now. We're gonna walk in here, get this taken care of. So next time we see this thing, new clutch should be in it. Let's go. All right, gang, so just got the call. Car's done, clutch is in there. We're gonna head out now. I'm gonna drive over there. I'm probably gonna record sometime in the morning. It's a little late now, it's dark out, wintertime. You know how that thing works. Let's do this. What's up, Shotty?
Let's roll out.
For nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about.
All right, gang, so we back at the whip. You already know. Stage 2, Southbend clutch in it. Ready to roll. Sounds good. Not a lot of chatter either. So we got the first drives right now with the new clutch. I would say, we got 2 miles on the clutch right now. I would say probably honest reaction. There's about 50% more effort being put into the clutch pedal currently. I'm sure this is gonna loosen up over time as, you know, it breaks in, but take it easy for the first 500 to 1,000 miles before you really start to get into it. But now this is huge for the channel. This is so huge for the channel because it's gonna allow me to take the car up to the next level. All right, I'm on my iPhone right now, but first impressions, this thing feels amazing. Like I said, clutch pedals. I got 13 miles on the new clutch right now, but the clutch pedal is like 50% more effort. Everyone says it's gonna actually become maybe closer to 20 to 30% more effort. It's gonna loosen up as the time goes on. But man, this thing just feels so much better. In addition to the clutch and the bleeder block and all of that, the stainless steel line, I feel like the stainless steel line is helping a ton here. If you don't have these mods, just throw them on there. If you're gonna go stage 2, just do it. This feels so much better. Like I can't even express it how much better it feels. I can't even get on it yet, but it just feels much tighter, if that makes sense. I also had them change out the shift levers, so now my shift levers feel much better. It was like clunking around, it's a little loose. And then also on top of that, I also had the oil pan replaced. So I had them change that out as well. They did a great job. It looks really good under there. Super excited. I can't wait to break this clutch in. This is gonna take this channel up to the next level. I'm telling you, I got mods already that I can't throw on the car until this clutch is broken in. So I am excited, as you guys can already expect. A lot more performance coming this way. Anyways, that's touching base right now. That's 13 miles on the car. You know, after getting work done on the car, you gotta pick up that pizza, bro. Get that done. Make sure it's nice and secure. You know how that go. Don't you move on me. Yo, check this out though. This is the fluid. So still has some left over. Put that in the garage because never hurts to have some extra. And we made it home safely. All right, gang, so the new clutch is in. Gonna go finish up some shopping real quick. But first, I just wanna say thank you guys for all of the support. So happy to have this clutch in here. If you're looking forward to the new things that are coming soon, this is gonna change everything about the car, literally everything about the car, because I can't go any faster until this clutch was in, and now I gotta break it in. Stay tuned because I'm definitely gonna do a review on the clutch, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw some new mods on. I got some mods at the house right now. I can't wait to throw on the car. It's gonna make it a lot faster, and we got draggy times. So make sure to hit this video up there. It's gonna pop up in the corner up there. If you're interested in these videos and you really are interested in seeing what more we got to offer on this channel, can't wait to see you in the next video. Like button, subscribe button down below. Peace. Just realized I never gave this to Shorty, so gonna pull it out the car now so we can make sure this little guy goes to Shorty. A BFI shift knob.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough.